Kia ora, and welcome to Heapy's Tips and Tricks. My name is Heather Rentz, and I'm the Community Development Manager at Hāpara. Today we're going to look at a workspace specifically created for kindergarten to grade 2 on the topic of digital citizenship. Let's jump right in and have a look. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the description. And what this tells us is everything that the students will learn, including the ISTE standards and any outcomes that the students will learn. This workspace has been created by Hāpara. If your school or district is not a Workspace subscriber, you can still use this as a public workspace, which means it works like a website where you can still click all the links and use all the activities with your learners. You can go through it as a class, or you can use the Share Links feature and share it to their devices. What we're going to do is look up in the top right-hand corner. If you see the buttons that say Open or Copy, then you are a Workspace subscriber. We are going to make a copy of this workspace, and that way it will go to Owned by Me in the My Workspaces section, and we'll look at that later. So looking at this, it's been divided into 4 different columns: learning goals, resources, activities, and then tips for teachers and parents. It also has been separated into different groups. We have a kindergarten group, a grade 1 group, a grade 2 group, a group just for teachers, and a group for parents and guardians. When I click on each one of these, you're going to notice that the screen is going to change as each card has been designed specifically for that level. So the kindergarten, the grade 1, the grade 2, the teacher view, and the parents and guardians view. Now we're going to open this and we're going to have a look, and you're going to notice that is going to change. Now you can see in the Owned by Me section, I now have a copy of this workspace. I can click the title to open it, and now I can edit it. I can add my own resources. I can take away resources that I don't want, and I can go through and edit anything. So as I said before, the students and groups are already created, but you can create more or customize them. You can add your students directly to the groups. You can make groups for learning levels. You can make groups for ELL. You can make groups for 504 and ISP. It's completely up to you. But what I am going to do is I'm going to use the students from my Disney demo class, and I'm going to put them in. So Daisy is in kindergarten, Donald's in grade 1, Mickey is in grade 2, and we're going to say that Minnie Mouse is a parent or guardian. And so that way, when I go back to my workspace, the view for everyone is different. I can drop down and see what Daisy's going to see by clicking on the eyeball icon right here. So when Daisy logs in to my student dashboard, this is what Daisy can see. So it has very specific instructions of things that students can listen to, things that students can watch, and it also has activities for them as well. So it might be a Google slide, it might just be something that they can do together as a group, which is a group discussion. Let's go back to the teacher group because I want to show you the very last section. If you go through this workspace with your students, Hāpara has included a Google form. Digital Citizenship Week is the 3rd week of October, but that doesn't mean you can't celebrate digital citizenship all year round. When you complete this workspace as a team, you can go down to the Google form, and what you can do is you can fill out that you've completed it, and Hāpara will send you some digital citizenship stickers for you and your class. So here is the Google form, Digital Citizenship Sticker Request. So I'm going to open it right here. And this isn't visible to your students, it's visible to the teachers only if you have created this as a workspace for your class. However, the students will be able to see it in a public workspace. So you just fill out your first and last name, school email, division, and your school mailing address. If you have any questions about this workspace or how Workspace works in general, how we can support you in any way, please reach out to us in the Hāpara community, and you can always email us at professionallearning@hapara.com. Thanks for watching.